welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy and today I'm bringing you guys another shop with me and haul, and this time it's going to be from Walmart and the Dollar Tree. So I went and got lots of goodies, so I'll go ahead and take you guys along shopping with me. But first, if you are new to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more of my videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you like videos like this so I will know to keep doing more like this. All right, let's go ahead and I'll show you guys the shopping trip. All right, so we are starting at Walmart. And in the first section, I'm showing you some round towels. These would be perfect for sitting by the pool. And then in this little area, they had all kinds of summer stuff like containers and stuff for serving, like dishes and things like that. And then tablecloths. This would be perfect if you are doing any kind of parties this summer. All the stuff was super bright and colorful and just great quality. And I loved all of this galvanized stuff, and the prices were really good, I feel like, compared to a lot of places that you go. And then these are beach blankets, so they're actually perfect for the beach or the park or even by the pool, whatever you want to use them for. And these were some huge round towels, so these were even bigger than the ones that I showed you earlier. The trees will bloom. And then as you can see, their beach towel collection is huge. This is the Pioneer Woman collection, and I always love their stuff. I feel like their colors are always so bright and just fun. And I actually got my mom some for Christmas, so I want to get her some more soon. And then I wanted to show y'all this because it's a grill scrape, and I thought it would be fun for Father's Day. These are the outdoor pillows, and I actually got some of these pillows for my back patio, and you guys have asked me questions about them. And then this is all stuff that you can put outside, and I actually want to get a couple of lanterns and these lights to put on our back porch. Nobody's losing. The sparrows will be here by dawn. When we find this over, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt. Now we're heading into the Dollar Tree, and holy moly, if you are planning a Hawaiian themed party for anything, you have to go to the Dollar Tree. They had so much stuff, and it's so cute, and they even had serving stuff as well that was just as great quality as some of the stuff at Walmart. So you should definitely check that out if you're looking for any kind of Hawaiian themed party this year. They also had a lot of fun summer stuff, so if you're planning a summer bash, that would be great too. And I saw these cute Father's Day gift bags, and I had to show y'all. Then they even had these little frames that I thought were cute for Father's Day too. right, now I'm gonna share with you guys what all I got in my haul, and I will start with Walmart first because I didn't get as much as I did at the Dollar Tree, so I'll show you guys what I got at Walmart. And in my last haul, I talked to you guys about how I was doing a summer gift for my kids for the last day of school, just a little something to celebrate summer. So I got Gracie June from Target in my last haul a little unicorn float, and so I got Case in a float tube. This one was from Walmart, and it is this. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have already seen me pick this up, but it's a little poop emoji float, and I know that he's going to love it. They are obsessed with the poop emoji for some reason. Let me know down in the comments below if your kids are too, but I think he's gonna love it. The next thing I got was this outdoor blanket, and if you guys don't have one of these, you have to get one. They have lots of different options at Walmart, and I think the last one that we got was actually, I don't remember if we got it from Target or Walmart, but it is awesome. We take it everywhere. It stays in the back of our car, and actually our old one, the handle was like ripped, so we're gonna keep that one in the garage so that we can keep it and take it out in the front yard or whatever. If we're having a little picnic, we can just keep it there. But this one will stay in my car because we use it at the beach. We use it when we go to like Forsyth Park or wherever in Savannah. We will take this out and just sit on it, and it's perfect. It doesn't keep sand, so you just shake it off. If you're at the beach, it's just awesome. So if you don't have one of these and you have kids, then you need to get one. And I think that it was, let me see, it says on here it was only $9.97, so it is totally worth it. It also it unzips, so you unzip it and then it lays out flat, and then you just fold it back up and zip it back together, so it's easy to carry around. So anyways, yes, you need to get this. All right, the next thing that I got from Walmart was this little pineapple, or yeah, it's got like pineapples. It's very, I feel like the light's making it hard to see, but it is so cute, and it's a bowl set with lids. There's 6 pieces, which there's 3 bowls and 3 lids, but they're like a really hard plastic. They're really good material, but this is perfect for us because we go to the pool all the time during the summer. We go to the beach, all of that. So these will be great for putting in fruit or sandwiches or snacks or anything like that as we do all of our little adventures over the summer. So I might end up having to get some more of these though, because they are like the perfect material and just very high quality. And this was, let's see, this bowl set was $4.88, so that was pretty cheap. All right, and now we're moving on to our Dollar Tree haul. Oh yeah, the other thing that I got was a box fan for Kaysen's bedroom. I know you probably have seen in my other videos, the kids have box fans in their bedrooms because they're cheap and they're loud, and so that's like the noise that they go to sleep to at night. And we have a monitor in our room, and so we can't sleep if their fans aren't going either. So that's why Kaysen's had gone out, and we'd had it for years. So I got him a new box fan, and it was like $16 from Walmart. So now we're moving on to the Dollar Tree. And I think I told you guys in my last video, but I'm room mom for both of my kids' classrooms, and in Kaysen's classroom, they're doing like a luau themed end of the year party. So I got some different little goodies for that. They had these cute little palm trees that we'll use on the food table. And then I ended up picking up these cute plates. So they had, I got 3, this came in a pack of 14. So I got 3 packs of that. And then they didn't have any napkins to match, so I ended up just getting 2 packs of the yellow napkins, and it comes with 20 in a pack. And then they had this cute little banner, and it says luau on it. And then I got this little blow up, and it says aloha, and I thought that they could use this to hold in pictures. And then I got this little picture backdrop that we're gonna hang up so they can take, like, do photo booth pictures in front of it. And then I got this to go on the little table. That's gonna be on the food table. And then I got a bunch of tablecloths I plan on making for my daughter's classroom. They're doing like an art themed end of the year party. So for the backdrop, I'm making like a rainbow backdrop. So I got all these different tablecloths, and I'll have to share that with you how it turns out, but I'll probably just share that on Instagram. But I plan on doing that for their class. So I got a bunch of different tablecloths. All right, and then, oh, there's one more. And then I got some party supplies for my son's birthday party. His birthday is June 15th, and we're having his party on the 16th. I think I told you that in my last video too, because I did pick up some things from Target as well. But for his party, we're just doing like summer beach balls, sunglasses, things like that. So it's not any particular thing. So I picked up these napkins. I got 2 packs of 20 for his party. And then these cute little plates. They just have like a beach theme. And there were 14 each, or 14 in each pack. So I got 2, but I'll probably end up having to go back and get more, depending on how many kids RSVP for the party. And then I also ended up getting them each a pool float, because we've been going to the pool a lot already. So I got them those. And then I got some cleaning supplies from the Dollar Tree too. Instead of Pine Sol, this is called Pine Glow. So I got this. This is an antibacterial kitchen and bathroom cleaner and disinfectant. It's a lot like Pine Sol. And then I got a spray bottle for some do-it-yourself Febreze. And then I needed to get some new funnels because we used them on something else. And then I got some wipes for the bathroom, some disinfecting wipes. And then I needed a new little microfiber cloth thing for my car. So I picked this up to keep in my car so I can clean that down. And I think that was it. Let me look. Yes. So that was all for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram because I share lots of things from our family, pictures, Insta stories, things like that of what we're doing daily. So make sure you go check us out over there. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.